Hello dear, welcome to English Needs. In this video, I am going to give you the explanation part of the question tags. This is video 2. In video 1, I have given the examples for practice or you can say testing. If you have already learned in your school how to supply the tag or how to write the tags, then you test yourself first. So for that, here is the link, this black strip. Touch it here, you will get that video. First test yourself how much you know and then come back to this video. That is better, because in the first video I have given examples for only practice and their answers. There you will come to know what are the pitfalls, what all the things you do not know, and you have to learn them. So in this video, that learning will take place. So this is level 1. The advanced level, that is level 2 video, is there in this channel. The link of that video is given at the end of the video. Difficult examples are normally covered towards the end of the video. Therefore, please watch till the end. Now let us start. Now let me give you the simple idea about what is a question tag. A simple sentence or a statement is given like this. Now to make it a question, we have to write something after this. We know that it is a positive sentence and is a helping verb. The first word to be written in the tag is the negative form of the helping verb, that is not. Before that, a comma is given. The next step is to write the pronoun of this noun, Kavya. Kavya is a girl, therefore it is she. As this form is used in spoken language, instead of is not, isn't is used and end it with a question mark. It is same as this sentence. Is Kavya reading? Now I am going to give you 10 sentences of this kind for your practice. Pause the video here and fill up the blanks and then check the answer. All these are positive sentences and the subject in these sentences is already in the pronoun form, and these are the helping verbs in positive form. Now let us write the tags. In the first sentence, was will become wasn't, and the subject he is already in pronoun form. Now our tag is complete. In the second sentence, will become will not, that is won't, and the subject she is kept as it is. In the third sentence, were is made weren't and they is kept as it is, weren't they. The tag for the fourth sentence is isn't it. In the last sentence, can will become cannot and the short form is can't. We is kept as it is. It is so easy. I believe you have no doubt now. Again, all these sentences are positive sentences with pronouns as subjects. I am sure you can supply the tags now. Pause the video here and work out. Helping verb must will become mustn't and we is kept as it is. In the second sentence, should will become shouldn't. You is kept as it is. In the third sentence, had will become hadn't. We is kept as it is. In the fourth sentence, could will become couldn't and she is kept as it is. In the last sentence, it is couldn't he. In this page, you find something different. All the helping verbs are in negative form. Doesn't, won't, shan't, won't, and is not. That is isn't. Here, for creating a tag, negative is changed into positive. So, doesn't will become only does. Won't will become will. Shan't means Shall not will become only shall. Won't will become will, and is not or isn't will become only is. Now, the next step is to write the pronoun form of the nouns given as subject here. Arun is a man, a male, therefore it is he. These children are referred to as they. In the next sentence, we have pronoun. So, keep we as it is. In the next sentence, the subject is this. Though it is a pronoun, it is not kept as it is. Because this won't work means this trick or this idea. Therefore, we have to use it as the pronoun. Again, in the last sentence, this task will change it into it. Now, you have learnt that for a positive sentence, negative tag is used, and for a negative sentence, positive tag is used. And if the subject is a noun, it is changed into a pronoun. In this page, all are negative sentences. I'm sure what you have to do with them. Would you like to try? Then pause the video here and write down the tags. This had not will become had. Ajay will become he. Didn't will become did, and Anu will become she. Are not will become are, and people becomes they. Won't will become will, and the subject this idea becomes it. Has got no will become only has, and his promise will become it. Now pause the video here and read all the sentences once. Pause the video here and fill up the blanks. Doesn't will become does, and my aunt will become she. Weren't will become were. Balu and Anu, there are two, therefore they. Don't will become do. My friends will become they. Didn't will become did, and Iran will become she because it is considered as motherland. Mustn't will become must, and people becomes they. I'm sure these examples have given you confidence. You know was is positive and wasn't is negative. So you may write wasn't. No, it is wrong because the whole sentence when you see it is negative. The presence of expressions like no one, none, never, nobody, and neither. These make the sentence negative. So you already know that if the sentence is negative, then the tag is positive. Therefore, it is was here. When it comes to subject verb agreement, no one is considered as singular. But when you take the context, it becomes a plural. No one was present itself means that there were more people to come, but nobody came. Since the expected people were more, it is plural. Therefore, it becomes were, not was. And naturally, pronoun also will be they. In the same way, none of them suggests that there are more people. So, in place of is, it becomes are. And the pronoun will be they. So, the tag is are they. Now, you are going to learn one more new thing, and it is important. So far, in the examples we have done, each of them had an auxiliary verb, that is helping verb, like am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would. But here in the example 3, 4, 5, we do not have any auxiliary verb. We have main verb like went, came, and came. But according to the rule, a tag should have a helping verb. If it is not there, then we have to create. So, do, does, and did are the helping verbs we have to create. Here, verb went is in past tense. Therefore, we have to choose did here. As the statement is negative, we have to use positive tag. Therefore, did is correct. And keep the pronoun he as it is. In the same way, the verb came is past tense. Therefore, we have to use did in both of these sentences. Again, nobody came suggests that there were more people. So the sense is plural. Use they. In the last sentence, neither of them suggests that there are two people. Therefore, again we have to use they. Now you know that if the sentence has no auxiliary verb, you have to bring in either do or does or did. And sentences having no one, none, no, not, nobody, neither, never are all negative sentences. Here are some more words which indicate that the sentence is negative. They are nothing, hardly, seldom, rarely, and scarcely. Many people do not know this. The verb matters ends in s here, as there is no helping verb and these two sentences are negative. Therefore, we have to use does, and nothing indicates that it is singular, so we have to use it. In the second sentence, pronoun it is there, so same thing is kept here. But in the third sentence, there is an auxiliary verb, can, so keep can as it is. None can ever suspect you. This sentence means there are some people and not even one person suspects. This indicates that it is plural, therefore we have to use they. In the fourth sentence, the verb visit is in V1 form, that is original form. Therefore, we have to select do for this. It will not become don't because this sentence is negative because of the word seldom, and the subject is already in the form of a pronoun they. Therefore, we'll put they as it is. In the fifth sentence, the verb is gets. Therefore, our choice is does. Again, here also the subject is in pronoun form he, so keep it as it is. In the last sentence also, there is no helping verb. For the verb attends, we have to select does and keep she as it is. Pause the video here and observe the examples carefully. Here, our focus is on the subject. You learn what pronoun you have to use for nouns given here. If you want to try, you can try now. Pause the video. Here, these sentences have no auxiliary verb. For verb goes, we have to select does. But the sentence is positive. Therefore, we have to change it into doesn't. And the subject, my sister, will become she. For the verb play, your selection is do, but we have to change it into negative. Therefore, it is don't. The subject, some children, indicates it is plural. Therefore, use they. For the verb live also, don't. The phrase Shanta and her son is plural. Therefore, use they. Next verb is lived. It is in past tense, so we have to use did. But as it is a positive sentence, we have to use didn't. For the phrase Anu's family, you can use it or they. In the last sentence, the verb is in past tense. So our selection is did, but as the sentence is positive, we have to make did into didn't. Team is considered as one unit, therefore it is singular. Use it. Pause the video and try. The verb one is in past tense and the sentence is positive. Therefore, we have to use didn't. Here, India is not taken as a nation. It is taken as Indian players. That's why it is plural. Use they. Auxiliary verb should will become shouldn't. Here, the subject, the rich, represents a class of people. Therefore, it is plural. So, they is used. For the verb smells, does is the choice. And its negative is used in the tag. So, it is doesn't. Something is uncountable. It is taken as singular. So, use it. In the fourth sentence, are is done aren't. All of us will change it into we. It is read as ain't we. Next, choice for the verb make is do and its negative should be used. Therefore, it is don't. You and I make two people. Therefore, it is plural. Use we. Pause the video here and study all the sentences. In this page, all are positive sentences and all of them have auxiliary verbs in them. Is will become isn't, are will become ain't, is will become isn't, again is will become isn't, and lastly are will become ain't. This pen, it is singular, so use it. Those books, plural, so use they. Team India is singular, so use it. I is one letter, therefore use it. All lights are plural, so use they. Pause the video and try for yourself. Page 11 onwards. All examples will be taken up in the next video. Most of them are not used commonly but very important for competitive exams. Here is the link for level 2 video.